Integrated Writing Practice Test 17. Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about. I would say that in many cases it is absolutely necessary to be obedient to authority in order to keep our society running smoothly. If everyone was disobedient and did whatever he wanted to do, can you imagine what our world would look like? In fact, obeying authority has far more advantages for human society than disobeying authority. We all agree that students at school should be taught to obey teachers and school rules, because this is an important step in training students to be future law-abiding citizens. Most students who are obedient to teachers are hardworking, and they often finish high school on time and are admitted by colleges and universities because of their creativity and excellence in school subjects. On the other hand, the students who disrupt teaching or learning in class often drop out of school at an early age. In addition, disobedient students have great difficulties finding and keeping jobs after leaving school, and many of them end up breaking the rules of society. Now let me talk about Dr. Charles Hopkins' experiment. The truth behind this experiment is that 10 of the 21 nurses said that there was a real physician named Dr. Smith in their hospitals, though they had not seen him personally. The rest of the nurses said that their hospitals had recently hired several new physicians, and that they had thought that the so-called Dr. Smith was just one of them. The researcher of the experiment also found that there was already a long history of physicians giving instructions to nurses over the phone. So it was the physicians and not the nurses who were to blame for violating hospital rules and regulations. Fortunately, when the same nurses were asked by the same Dr. Smith to administer an overdose of the new drug to the patient, none of the nurses obeyed.